Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert MOV file to MP4. So let's get started the video. To convert MOV to MP4, I'm gonna use VLC Media Player. If you don't have this application, then you can open your web browser, search for VLC Media Player, then download and install it. If you have installed the app, open VLC Media Player. Now go to the top left of the screen, tap on Media, then tap on Convert Save. Now click on the Add button and add your MOV file. After that, click on Convert Save. Now select the correct file. Click here and from the list choose MP4. Then go and choose the destination. Choose where the file is going to saved. Click on Browse, enter the name of your file, click Save. Now click on Start and you will see that the file is converted to MP4. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.